The Tornador MAX is the newest addition to our lineup of Tornador car tools. The Tornador is a detailer's best friend when it comes to performing an interior cleaning, allowing you to quickly and efficiently clean door panels, dashboards, consoles, and any hard-to-reach cracks and crevices. The Tornador MAX is an upgraded version of the Tornador Black. It contains heavier-duty components, it has more power, and features a number of great new additions. The first to mention is the tactical LED light. This light allows you to illuminate dark areas where your other lights don't shine. The light has two separate settings and can be adjusted 360 degrees around the barrel of the tool. The Tornador MAX now features a Swivel Air Inlet. This gives you greater control of the machine, and unlike the older Tornador Black and Classic models, you're able to set the Tornador MAX down while it's attached to the air hose. The new rubber anti-slip mat on the base of the jar also increases stability by providing greater traction and a wider footprint. Another improvement over the Tornador Black is the new patented spring rotate set. This new patented spring technology increases the torque and intensifies the cleaning power. The Tornador MAX also features technology that you've seen in the previous Tornador models, the built-in air regulator allowing for precise control over the air pressure. The air valve on the side of the machine allows you to turn off the flow of cleaning agents, which makes the Tornador a powerful option for drying wet surfaces as well. Coupled with Detail King's Interior Super Soap, the Tornador MAX is an amazing tool for interior cleanings and a perfect addition to any detailer's arsenal. After you've used one, you'll never want to detail without the Tornador again. Pick up yours today at detailking.com.